Hello, everyone. My name is Marcelo Palermo. I'm your host for Meet Me Here in Point of Encounter, Meeting Point, Punto de Encuentro, y Encuéntrame aquí. And I'm here with a very special host, a friend for many years, who's actually doing something very innovative and great in the field of medicine here in El Paso, Dr. Mike Refaeian. How are you doing, buddy?
Doing good, Marcelo. How are you doing?
I'm happy to be here with you at your office here at your clinic. Tell us about this revolutionary stem cell therapy that you guys are offering here.
That's a great question, Marcelo. I think in this region, we are the first clinic that does this on a full-time basis.
First clinic.
First clinic.
Nice.
A lot of doctors do partial, like a PRP, things like that. But I was trained with a company called Regenix in Colorado and also Cayman Island. It's very scientific based. They have analyzed data from 150,000 cases since 2005, and they come up with a specific protocol to do certain type of injection to prevent surgery and improve function and decrease disability. Doesn't work for everybody, but the rate, as far as I know, is about 70 to 75% improvement.
Very interesting. And as you say, it doesn't work for everybody, but it works for most people.
Yeah, it does. It works for most people if the case is not too horrible, too advanced. Let's say, for instance, the rotator cuff tendon, the shoulder, a lot of people have problems with shoulders and they get surgery. If they have a partial tear, that works for most of them. If it's a full thickness tear, as long as it's less than 1 centimeter, that can still help. But let's say if it's a 4 centimeter complete tear of shoulder, they need surgery more than likely.
Mm-hmm.
But this is an attempt to prevent surgery for many, many cases. And the side effects are minimal. Infection, bleeding, we have to clean everything up and do it under sterile fashion. I use guidance, which is an ultrasound guidance, to guide my needle to exactly to a right place. And I think we have a patient now. We can show you more or less how it's done. And we also have a fluoroscopy with X-ray machine, live X-ray. We can also guide our needle to a right place. It's not just important to be able to extract the cells from, let's say, from your bone marrow or from your blood, but it's also important to place them exactly where you need them to be placed.
That is very interesting because there's a whole process since you extract the material from the bone marrow and then it turns into this stem cell that's going to help people regenerate tissue, get better. And you were telling me before that, as a matter of fact, this therapy helps with different cases, health problems, maybe back problems, knee problems, but also helps regenerate organs and things like that.
Yeah, it does. It does. Some university, let's say University of Miami or other ones in California, they use it for somebody that had, let's say, a heart attack, and they want to rejuvenate the heart cells. They use it for various neurologic problems. But I'm not an expert in that. The only thing I know is musculoskeletal pain. I do somebody with a knee arthritis, torn cartilage in knee, ACL torn, medial patellofemoral ligament that we've been injecting that also help. The ankle pain, the hip, several hip I've done. Several spine cases, neck and back pain. One gentleman came from Midland a few months ago. He was told he needed to have a fusion. So we did 2 sets of these injections, and then he says he's doing a lot better. We haven't seen him for follow-up in 6 months.
Well, that means he's doing better.
He's doing better, yeah. But
and you prevented him undergoing surgery.
Fusion surgery, yes.
Fusion surgery,
That's
which
a
is
big surgery.
Quite something.
So basically what I'm saying is it doesn't work for everybody, but if it does work for several patients, imagine the cost of surgery, indemnity, the complication that you can go through.
Pain, mental,
physical.
breakdown, everything.
Oh, yeah, anesthesia. Risk of anesthesia can also be very, very
significant.
bad.
Yeah.
Significant, yeah.
Well, as you're putting it, basically you can help pretty much most of people.
Yeah.
And the fact is, we were interviewing William, gentleman who wasn't paying for like around 15 years after a very severe vehicle accident, car accident. He was working in law enforcement. And after those 15 years, just a couple of months ago, he underwent this therapy that you offer.
Yeah.
And now he walks, he's around, he looks fantastic. It's like, he literally told me that this therapy that you guys saved his life.
Yeah, it's very nice of him to say that, but his spine is pretty bad based on the MRI. Severe degeneration throughout the lumbar spine. So we have to do very extensive injections. You have to sedate for that kind of injection.
Yeah.
But we basically penetrate all the important area that we need to penetrate, including the facet joint, the arthritic joint. We inject them with plasma lysate, concentrated platelets, which could be like 14 to 20x, depending on age. The older you are, the more blood we need to take from you so we can concentrate it and then inject to a right place. But I'm glad it worked for him. We also did it several other patients, one young patient last week in the 20s with a disc herniation. He says he's already feeling about 50% better.
Tough. Amazing. So, Mike, and you work in your clinic, and you're also going to open another clinic in the west side.
Yeah.
You have east and west.
Yes.
That's happening in September, right?
Yeah, September. It
Very
takes
soon.
several months for it to remodel, and hopefully we get it ready by September, early October.
Very well. So can you provide us with your clinic information?
Well, that clinic is on 7860 North Mesa. So it's by Mesa, like way west.
Yeah.
This is going to be on the east side. So for patient, it would be more convenient to go to one versus the other location.
Exactly. And this one is located at?
This one located close to Yarborough, Vista Del Sol, and Sumac is 10412 Vista Del Sol Drive. Phone number, in case anybody needs it, is 915-593-9300.
Fantastic. Dr. Mike Refaeian and the innovative and wonderful technology of stem cell, which is ready here for you. You guys come over, check them out. If you have any of those problems, and many people do here in the region and all over the world of the country, you just talk about a patient that you have from the northern states, right?
Yeah, I have patients from all over the world. They come
Fantastic.
in, even some from Dubai. They come.
Wonderful,
Yeah, so there's like it's
well, we have
international.
some fans maybe here in Dubai and Qatar. So wherever you guys are, you're going to have it for sure here. Good treatment, something that can actually change your life for the way better.
Yeah, I agree.
Dr. Mike Refaeian, thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Thank you for everyone.
I'm Marcelo Palermo for Meet Me Here, Point of Encounter. Guys, keep on being with us. We'll keep on being with you. Thank you. Ciao. Bye.
Thank you.